Hey, what's up? Welcome back. We're going to take this nasty JSON and convert it into a beautiful product list like this as we build out our creator platform. This thing has Stripe Connect. It is enabling creators to go out and sell digital products, building a storefront. We've got like subdomain routing set up. We're able to create products and a lot of really cool stuff. But in this episode, we're specifically focused on building out these product lists. So what we're going to do is we've already got this view set up. So we're going to jump into our products index for our stores. And right now it's just spitting out JSON. So what I want to do is jump over to this product list component from Tailwind UI. Again, this is a paid thing. I use it all the time and I use it a ton. So I'm going to grab that and just drop it in. And it's actually quite a small amount of HTML. So we're going to iterate over each of our products. We're going to say at products.each do product. And for each one, we want to spit out one of these product object thingies from Tailwind UI. And this is going to be a good start. So let's refresh our page here. And it already looks a million times better than just a bunch of JSON vomited out onto the page. So let's say we're going to say, instead of customers already purchased, let's say we're just going to change the H2 to store. All right, so now if we refresh, we can see this store page. And right now, each of these is a different product, but you can't tell based on the image or the name or the price or anything. So each product has a name. So we're going to say product.name. Each price also has a description. So let's print out product.description. And finally, each price or each product has a price. Now, in the other products index, that is the internal products index where we just show a table of products that looks like this, localhost 3000/products. On this list, we're rendering this price out in a funky way. So we're saying number 2 currency, reach into the product data, default price, unit amount, and then divide by 100. That's quite a lot. And so what I want to do is go to the product, and I'm going to add a helper method here called price that is just going to do that thing for us so that we don't have to do it every single time. And what does this look like? It's going to be, product data, default price, whatever. So now we can go back to our products index here. We should be able to just change this to price and refresh this page, and that continues to work. Now let's go to our external page and let's see if we can get that price showing up. So products controller. Now we have 2 different products controllers. One is the internal one that is not namespaced. The other is the external one, which is namespaced. And we have products index. So we want to go to this route here and just say number 2 currency of product.price. And that should give us a price. Okay, so now we see the price, we see the name of the product, and we still just see these images that are the built-in images from Tailwind. So let's actually change this to an image tag of product.photo. But we only want to do that if product.photo is representable. And that will just check to see like if it's an image or a PDF or something like that that it can actually represent. So we've got a couple in here, Build and Learn. This is supposed to be sort of like our ebook cover. It's actually a podcast, buildandlearn.dev. Check it out. It's me and my buddy Colin hanging out. Okay, so what I think this is kind of tricky to see because our first test products don't actually have very much in them. So I'm going to jump into the Rails console and just delete all the products. So product.destroy all. All right, so that should give us 0 products here, right? Okay, no products in the store. Sad day for the seller, but let's say add a product. This is going to be the Build and Learn ebook, and maybe the description is going to be like, I don't know, the best book you ever heard. Okay, and the file is not going to be, it's going to be an image of the product. So really it's just kind of like the cover. And let's say that we're going to sell it for $20 USD. I wonder if there's a way to disable scroll inside of the number inputs. Or if we're paying in euros, we'll give you a nice discount, 18 euros. I don't know if that's actually a discount. All right, create price, or create the product and the price. Okay, we're redirected to the internal representation. But if we go out to the store, which is over here, and click on refresh, Now we see build and learn ebook. It's the best book you ever heard, whatever. Okay, so this is gonna be our list of products. All right, let's create another product. So we'll come back over here, go to products, add a product. This is gonna be like productive Rails, learn Ruby on Rails, yay. Okay, then the photo is gonna be this other photo that I just made. We'll just say this is gonna be $100 and we're gonna create that product. All right, we've got our products. This is looking pretty cool. So this product here was actually cut off on the bottom. Part of our resizing isn't exactly working as expected, but I think that's all right. So what we want to happen now is anytime someone clicks on one of these things to buy them, I think we want to just redirect to Stripe checkout. Awesome. I'm pretty stoked about having this list of products, and it's pretty quick to get up and running. Obviously, of course, because we're using Tailwind UI to build out most of the UI for us. But this was a great start and should be like a really great basis for us to build out our e-commerce application. In the next episode, we'll go through the process of making it so that when you click on one of these products, we'll bring you through checkout. You can pay for the product, and then, we'll move on to the next step. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.